Hi, everybody. My name is Dave Harrison. It's my privilege to serve as president of Columbus State Community College. And I love Taste the Future because it allows us to celebrate our partnerships. Everything we do has partnerships at the core. And Taste brings together partnerships from all walks of life. Individuals, companies who may not have a lot in common, but what they've got in common is our cause. Our cause to help our students succeed, which in turn helps our community thrive. Thank you for being a part of it.
Really excited to be here at Taste the Future. What a great evening, what a great event. So many people here being able to support Columbus State students through the Columbus State Foundation. You couldn't ask for a better way to support and really be focused on student success.
Taste the Future represents the best of the culinary scene in Columbus. We're so grateful for the partnership of all of the wonderful restaurants that are here and excited about the future with our students and the role that they'll play in the region as it continues to grow.